Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how does Fidelity Investments work. Fidelity Investments offers a wide range of investment options and services, allowing customers to invest in various assets from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. And they also provide investment advice and guidance, as well as various tools for managing and tracking investment as well. Now, first of all, Fidelity offers a brokerage account where you could buy and sell investment like stock, bonds, and ETFs. You could also manage your own investment or choose to use the managed account services. Fidelity is known for offering low fees and a wide variety of investment options as well. Now, Fidelity provides investment advice through advisors who can help you create and manage a portfolio. They offer various services from digital advice to personalized investment management with a team of advisors as well. Similarly, the Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options including mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, and stock as well. Likewise, you could also go ahead and explore the features and tools available. And that is how Fidelity Investment works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.